In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the CC function in Gmail. Whether you're new to Gmail or just need a refresher, understanding how to use the CC feature can enhance your email management skills. Let's dive right into it. First, open your Gmail account and look for the Compose button, typically located on the left-hand side of your screen if you're using a desktop or laptop. Clicking this button will bring up a new message window. Now, this is where we start crafting our email, but I'm here to focus specifically on how to incorporate the CC function accurately. In the new message window, you'll notice a field labeled To. This is where you'd typically insert the primary recipient's email address. However, the focus for our tutorial today is on CC, which stands for carbon copy. This is a useful tool when you want to send a copy of your email to additional recipients while keeping them in the loop, so they have all the essential information. To activate the CC field, look to the right of the To field, and you'll spot a link labeled CC. By clicking on this link, the CC field will appear, ready for input. It's a straightforward approach to ensuring that additional parties are informed without addressing them directly in the To line. Now, let's add some email addresses to this CC field. Click into the CC field itself and type in the email addresses of those you want to afford this carbon copy to. Importantly, you can add multiple addresses here by simply separating each email with a comma. This small punctuation mark acts as the delimiter between email addresses, so be sure not to miss this step. Otherwise, the emails won't be distinct, and you could encounter errors sending your message. With your recipients adequately set, it's time to compose the main body of your email. Ensure that your message is clear and concise, containing all the relevant information not only for your main recipient, but also for those included in the CC line. After you've finished writing your message, do a quick review for any potential errors in both your content and the addresses. Satisfied with your email? Great! To send it off, simply hit the Send button, which is usually located at the bottom of the message pane. And with that, you've successfully sent an email with a carbon copy attached to multiple recipients in Gmail. By mastering this simple yet effective tool, you can keep your communication loop tight and efficient, ensuring that key players remain informed without flooding their inbox with separate emails. Thank you for tuning in, and feel free to explore more features that Gmail offers to optimize your emailing experience. Happy emailing!